Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. What we have on the screen right now, as you can see, is the graph for the price of Bitcoin as we speak. $33,647. If we take a look at this graph, dating all the way back to 2013, where it was at the low price of $135, again being all the way up to the price where it is right now at $33,647, $33,664. It's constantly changing. It's up 14% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is all the rage right now. It is going absolutely crazy. It has been the single best performing asset of the last decade, and it was one of the best performing assets in the year of 2020 as well, and headed into 2021, it is reaching all-time highs. The Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency craze is back, and it is here. And that's going to get people talking again. That's going to get, people interested in it again. People who don't even know what cryptocurrency is, don't even know what Bitcoin is, anything like that. And they're going to be wondering, how do they get in on the action? How do they start investing? How do they start buying? What's the best ways? In this video today, I'm going to be covering just the easiest and best ways, in my opinion, from my experiences of the last couple of years, investing in crypto, trading on a bunch of different sites, platforms, all that stuff. The easiest and the best ways to get started with Bitcoin or whatever other cryptocurrency you decide to get invested in and involved in. Because again, these things are super hot right now, headed into 2021, new all-time highs, new momentum behind these things once again, which, yeah, we're going to get people talking. And if things keep going the way they are, 2021 is going to be another huge year for Bitcoin. Could be for the better, could be for the worse. I'm not saying you should get invested. I'm not saying this is going to make you a ton of money. I'm not saying this is going to be a great decision or anything like that. But I'm just saying, you're big boys, you're big girls. If this is something you want to do, here is how you can do it. So, first up, if we're talking about the absolute easiest way, or one of the easier ways in my opinion, it is trading crypto on a stock exchange that you already have. For instance, Robinhood. I know a lot of people who are already invested in the stock market have apps or have accounts on websites like Robinhood. And some of these, I know, like eToro and maybe some other ones like that, have cryptocurrency built right into them. You can see they, you're able to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, other cryptocurrencies 24/7, commission free with Robinhood Crypto. Now, Bitcoin purists or cryptocurrency purists, they will have some issues with Robinhood, and there are some very valid complaints with stuff like Robinhood because with an app like Robinhood, you are not actually able to take your cryptocurrency and deposit it into the app. You are also not able to take your cryptocurrency and withdraw it from the app. You don't actually have your coins. You cannot actually put them in a wallet. You cannot actually use them to pay for anything. You can simply use your money to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, and then as the price goes up and down, you can then sell that and get it out. So it's really just an investing platform or a mode to invest in the ups and downs in cryptocurrency, but you are not actually ever really owning the currency outright. This isn't a great way. Maybe if you're just interested in investing, putting some money in, riding the waves, ups and downs, if you think there's some momentum behind Bitcoin or whatever, or any of the other cryptocurrencies, Robinhood can be a good way to maybe dip your toe in it to get started. If you already have a platform like Robinhood or like one of the other ones that trade cryptocurrencies, this could be an opportunity or a possibility for you. But again, you're not actually owning the currency, so it's maybe not the best method. As far as actually beginning to purchase a currency, being able to withdraw it, being able to use it to buy stuff, because at the end of the day, if Bitcoin is going to blow up, if it is eventually going to be what it claims to be a cryptocurrency, it is going to have to be able to be exchanged and be able to be used for like goods and services and payments and stuff like that. And again, not something you can do through something like Robinhood, but if you already have Robinhood, that option is there. If you want to throw some money into it, it can be a really easy way to get started. As far as the easiest way to actually begin buying and selling Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies like that, Coinbase is going to be your best bet in my opinion. They are kind of the leader in this market. They have a very simple, easy, straightforward platform. I know like getting into cryptocurrencies can be very overwhelming. It can be kind of a high barrier to entry. It's a lot of shady websites. It's a lot of hoops you have to jump through. It's scary stuff. I mean, you're putting in a ton of information and stuff. A lot of the times you don't even know if you're in the right place, buying the right thing, whatever. But Coinbase makes it all simple. It is super easy to use, super clean design, a nice app, a nice website, easy to understand. I mean, your grandma can go and buy Bitcoin and know exactly what's going on. It's a website with really nice graphs and everything to look at, really easy on the eyes. They don't have a ton of options as far as different cryptocurrencies and stuff, but if you're looking to get into the main ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Coinbase is a great option. The one problem here is that with the ease of design and kind of ease of getting into it and stuff, you are actually going to be paying relatively high fees compared to some of the other competitors, some of the other options on the market and stuff. Coinbase is going to kind of charge a high price for the services that they offer. When you put money in, when you buy, when you sell, you are going to be racking up a significant number of fees compared to the other stuff. But if you are looking to invest, if you are looking to kind of be in this for the long haul, the fees shouldn't make too much of a difference. If you are worried about the fees and stuff, there is some lower fee options out there. It might be a little bit more difficult. It might not be as easy to get into. There might be a little more barrier to entry. But if you're fine with paying a little bit extra on the fees, a couple extra dollars depending on how much money you're putting in, how often you're doing transactions, stuff like that, then Coinbase can be a great option. And this is where I would recommend anyone to start if they don't really know what's going on with cryptocurrency, if they're kind of intimidated by whatever's going on, if they're not great with technology, if they're really looking for just kind of the most simple, easy platform to get started. I think Coinbase, I get the problems that some people have with it. Also, the meme is that Coinbase will always crash whenever there's high volume in cryptocurrency and stuff like that does happen. Coinbase has its issues, but again, it is the biggest in the market for a reason. Is a great starting point for people, and headed into 2021, it's still one of the best options out there, in my opinion, and in the opinion of a lot of other people. But if you are trying to get a little crazier, if you're trying to get a little more wild, if you're trying to perhaps even get into some different shit coins, which we all know can always be a ton of fun, super, super exciting stuff, but also being able to trade Bitcoin and stuff, get your money in and out, be in a safe, secure exchange, but also pay a little bit less fees than something like Coinbase, Binance is going to be your best bet. It is going to be your best option. Another really, really clean website. They have an app, works really, really well. I don't think they're quite to the level of Coinbase yet, but they do offer a wider variety of cryptocurrencies, and they offer you the same functionality as something like Coinbase as far as being able to purchase Bitcoin, being able to take it out, put it in your own wallet if you want, being able to transfer it to whoever you want in the world, being able to actually exchange the stuff in and out, but also having the same investing opportunities of just buying and selling it on an exchange. They are secure. They have a great reputation. They have a nice history of being really, really reliable in the cryptocurrency world. And again, you're going to be paying a little bit less fees than something like Coinbase, but again, the barrier to entry is a little bit higher, some more hoops you have to jump through to get signed up, maybe not as user friendly, not as easy to get into and stuff like that. But again, if you're looking to save on some fees, if you're looking to kind of get more in depth, maybe there's a new hot cryptocurrency that Coinbase offers, that Coinbase doesn't offer, that something like Binance does, maybe you can begin to look at that. But as far as things go, those would be my three biggest recommendations, three biggest choices for the year of 2021. Again, if you are somebody who does a lot of stocks already and you're just looking to trade crypto like it is a stock, Robinhood is a great option. If you are brand new, if you're looking to show it to your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, somebody who's not very technologically savvy, somebody who would not really know what's going on, doesn't know their way around the internet, Coinbase is a great option. And if you're looking to get a little more in depth, go a little crazier, Binance is a great option for that. But there's also a ton of other options out there. There is really an exchange out there for everybody. Everybody has their favorite exchange. Everyone has, everyone is going to have pros and cons. Some of them are way more secure and reliable. Some of them are a little bit more shady and have some crazy promises. But there is scandals that happen. There can be negative downsides and stuff. So you do need to be careful out there. Don't go anywhere too crazy. But these are three really, really reliable and great sources to get started with cryptocurrency, get started with Bitcoin in 2021. Because again, we are seeing some crazy run-ups, some crazy prices. That doesn't mean things are going to continue, but it means it's going to be hitting the news. People are going to be talking about it. People I'm sure are going to be talking about it as well. And again, 2021 could be a crazy year for Bitcoin, could be a crazy year for cryptocurrency. And if you're interested in getting started, these are some of your best options. I'll definitely make sure I leave links down below to all these websites. So if you guys are interested in getting started, you can check those out. You can get all signed up and investing and just getting started right away. Because again, there are people out there that will tell you Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are the future of our financial markets, and that they're going to make you rich beyond your wildest dreams. Blah 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 blah. Whatever. whatever. And you know, if that sounds great to you, if that's something you want to get started with, you know, you have those options out there. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you enjoyed it. It helps me out a ton with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. What exchange you use? What do you guys think is the best way? Any thoughts and opinions you have on Bitcoin, crypto in general? I would love to hear it. Subscribe to update all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.